Buying coins on TikTok. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show how you can buy TikTok coins to use during live streams of your favorite creators. It's a really simple process, folks. First step, click on these three lines up here. Then click on the balance option. In balance, you'll see your coin count and your estimated balance below. Folks, I don't have any coins, so I'll click on Get Coins to choose how many to buy, with each option having a different price. 5 coins cost 49 cents, 70 costs 6 REAIs, and 79. So you'll select the number of coins you want to purchase. Then just click below to recharge. Clicking down here on Card, you select the credit card to make your payment. After that, just click Buy with one tap. There, payment complete. So I've already loaded 5 coins. If I go back, my balance is now updated. Did you get it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug and God bless. Thanks.